again, good day. I am April Escobar. And now that you already know how to solve the ellipse when the center is at the origin, we'll now proceed on solving the ellipse when the center is not at the origin. So, mas complicated na eh. So, please listen carefully. Here, nakatay equation. X minus 2 squared over 25 plus y plus 3 squared over 16 equals 1. Our first step is to find the center. Kay dili man origin ang atong center, dili man pareha ganina nga dito na, so anjing pangitaon nato una ang center. Remember that this is the H and this is the K. So, in finding the center, let's change the sign. Kani nga negative 2 ni, mahimo ning positive 2. Kani nga positive 3 ni, ligabo sa center, mahimo ning negative 3. So, now, naa na tayo center. This is the first step. And now, let's proceed in the step 2. Step 2. So, the step 2 is finding the principal axis. So, di ba, nag-remind ko ganina nga, kung asa ang dako, kung asa ang A, at tukod ang principal axis. So, ang atong A is naaman sa X. So, it means, ang principal axis nato is horizontal. So, ang atong principal axis is horizontal. So, now, the third step is finding the value of A and B. So, our A squared in the equation is 25. The square root of 25 is equals to 5. So, di ba, ang A represent to the distance from the focus, ay from the center to the vertex. So, let's graph it. I know, let's graph first the center. I'm sorry. 2 and negative 3. 2 and negative 3. So, di ara ang atong center. Now, let's graph the A. Let's count. So, inig mag-graph ka guys, mag-start ka sa atong center. Not here, not on the origin. So, ano ka mag-start? O ka. A is equals to 5. So, since this is horizontal, ang atong pag-count is padong direct. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, sa another side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's proceed in finding the value of B. The B squared is equals to 16. And the square root of 16 is equals to 4. So the value of our B is 4. So let's graph it. 4. So, diba, ang B represents sa co-vertices. So, naata dari. Napart pa, ibabaw. Ang kita magsugod og count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, paubos. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that we already have the value of A and B, let's now proceed in finding the value of C. Diba, akong i-explain ganina na ang formula sa C is equals to the square root of A squared minus B b squared. So a squared is equals to 25. B squared is equals to 16. 25 minus 16 is equals to 9, and the square root of 9 is equals to 3. So the value of our C is equals to 3. So diba, ang C represent the distance from the center to the focus. Since ang atong axis is naa sa horizontal, ang kitagang kita sa atong focus. 3 man eh. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So pikas. 1, 2, 3. So the next step is to find the latus rectum. In finding the latus rectum, we will use this formula. Our b squared is equals to 16. Our a is equals to 5. 16 divided by 5 is equals to 3.2. So the value of our latus rectum is equals to 3.2. Let's graph it. Diba, since this is horizontal, ang latus rectum is makita nato sa up and sa down sa focus. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Since this is the latus rectum is 3.2, ibutang na lang nato sa and then 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's try to connect all the dots. Di ara ang atong ellipse. So, sa atong last step, the 6 steps is to find the coordinates. Ato lang tan-awon ang kung unsa ang ilang coordinates based sa Cartesian plane. Let's find first the vertex 1. Vertex 1, so asa man siya? Equals to 7, and then the y equals to 2. V sub 2 is equals to negative 3 and negative 3. And W sub 1 equals to positive 2 and positive 1. W sub 2 is equals to positive 2 and negative 7. The focus 1 is equals to positive 5 and negative 3. The focus 2 is equals to negative 1 and negative 3. So, we already have all the coordinates. So now, diba ang atong gibuhat sa pangita sa mga coordinates is nitan-aw rata sa Cartesian plane. Now, what if wala tay graph? What if kanang times bitaw nga gadali na ta and then wala na tayo time mag-graph? Now na may times na ingana kanang papasolve ta sa mga coordinates. So, naatay another way to solve that na nang dira pag-plot-plot, pagpangita sa Cartesian plane. Na ako i-provide ng mga formula. So, medyo complicated na siya. I-erase na naman nila kung ito ba. So, di ba, horizontal man ang ato ang graph, ang atong gamiton nga formula is kani. In finding the vertex, let's use this formula. Una ko na to ang plus. So, ang value sa atong h is equals to 2. Diba 2? Plus a, ang value sa atong a is 5. And then the value of our k is negative 3. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And then negative 3. Diba sakto? So, yan nila po lang atong buhaton sa laing pang part. 2 minus 5 is equals to negative 3. And then negative 3. O, diba? Equal sa ang b sub 2 sa atong b sub 2 at sa ubos. And then let's proceed in finding the w sub 1 and w sub 2. Let's use this formula. H is equals to 2, K is equals to negative 3, plus B, our B is equals to negative 4. So negative 3 plus 4 is equals to 1. Pare-para sila. And then, let's proceed on the values of 2. So, negative 3 minus 4 is equals to negative 7. Now, let's proceed on finding the f sub 1 and f sub 2. Let's use this formula. Our h is 2, plus c, our c is 3, k is negative 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Parihara. And then f sub 2. Minus 3 is equals to negative 1. So, di ba kare-kara? So, mga ni ang ways para makuha nato ang ellipse when the center is not at the origin and when our principal axis is horizontal.